Looking for the ultimate cleaning assistant to save you time and effort? Well, in today's video, we've got you covered. We're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums for 2025, bringing you the latest and greatest in robotic cleaning technology. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hard-to-reach corners, or just want to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, these vacuums are designed to do it all. But how do you know which one is worth your investment? Stick around as we break down the top picks based on performance, features, and value for money. Let's get started. Number 1. iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Now this is my choice for the best robot vacuum. For most people, the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus stands out as an efficient robot vacuum with its advanced AI navigation, superior suction power, self-emptying dustbin, and dual functionality. What this does is provide users with a hands-free and intelligent cleaning solution. The J9 Plus has precision vision navigation technology. This provides it with a keen sense of awareness and navigation, ensuring it maneuvers effortlessly around your home. Equipped with V-SLAM technology and a 3D sensor, it creates detailed maps for precise cleaning. Now, the J9 Plus comes with a powerful suction system and clean-based automatic dirt disposal. The allergen-locked dustbin has a fantastic 99% capture rate for pollen and mold. This ensures a comprehensive clean for all users, especially those suffering from allergies. The J9 Plus utilizes smart scrub technology to deliver a powerful clean. Its innovative mopping system applies consistent pressure while moving back and forth, and this removes stubborn stains with twice the scrubbing power of standard mops. The iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus combines its smart scrub technology, allergen, lock, dustbin, powerful suction system, and precision vision navigation technology. So, if you're looking for a high-quality robot vacuum that has a reasonable price, the J9 Plus might be the best pick for you. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 2. Shark AV2501S. This is my choice for the best robot vacuum for small spaces. The Shark AV2501S is an efficient and powerful robot vacuum, thanks to its powerful vacuum suction, matrix, clean navigation technology, 360-degree LiDAR, vision, and 120-minute battery life on a single charge. Now the Shark AV2501S packs a punch when it comes to sucking up dust, dirt, and debris from your floors with its powerful vacuum suction, self-cleaning, brush roll, and HEPA filtration system. The AV2501S easily captures dust, pet hair, and dander on all kinds of floor surfaces. It's also equipped with matrix clean navigation technology. So that means the AV2501S cleans in a precise matrix grid that takes multiple passes over dirt for your entire home. This ensures that you get that deep clean, plus it has 360-degree LiDAR vision that helps to accurately map your home to ensure that it can detect and avoid objects in its path, which is fantastic for small spaces. The AV2501S has a bagless self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of dirt and debris, and with a runtime of 120 minutes on a single charge, the AV2501S ensures that it can vacuum your whole house without needing to recharge it right away. The Shark AV2501S stands out as an incredible robot vacuum with its 120-minute battery life, 360-degree LiDAR, vision matrix, clean navigation technology, and powerful vacuum suction. The AV2501S is a great fit for those who are looking for a robot vacuum that can handle all the tight squeezes in small spaces in their home. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 694. This is my choice for the best robot vacuum for the money. The iRobot Roomba 694 excels as an affordable robot vacuum with its adaptive navigation, dirt detect sensors, 3-stage cleaning system, compact size, and customization through the iRobot Home app. The Roomba 694 uses smart navigation and a bunch of sensors to maneuver around furniture seamlessly, dive under beds and hug edges, leaving no dust behind. Plus the dirt detect sensors sniff out high traffic areas and tell the Roomba to spend extra time where it matters the most. The 3-stage cleaning system, coupled with dual multi-surface brushes, ensures thorough dirt and debris removal from both carpets and hard floors, from pet hair to crumbs and dust bunnies. The Roomba 694 conquers it all, leaving your floors spotless. The Roomba 694 has a compact size, making it easy to reach all those hard-to-get areas with ease, and the virtual wall barrier feature allows you to designate no-go zones, ensuring the Roomba stays where you want it. Plus, with the iRobot Home app, you can make things even easier by scheduling cleanings, customizing your cleaning preferences, and monitoring the Roomba's progress. The iRobot Roomba 694 is a fantastic, affordable robot vacuum that features compact design customization through the iRobot Home app, a 3-stage cleaning system, and dirt detection sensors. So, for those of you who are looking for a powerful robot vacuum that doesn't compromise on affordability, the Roomba 694 might be the right choice for your home. And keep in mind, if you're interested in updated pricing on any of these items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these vacuums almost daily, with sales and general price drops. Number 4. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This is my robot vacuum that I consider the best overall. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a cutting-edge robot vacuum that's known for its reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, LiDAR navigation, libraries, 2.0 mopping system, and a long-lasting battery life. Now with reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology, the S8 Pro Ultra uses 3D structured light and infrared image technology to help it identify unknown objects. It can determine the size and location of an object on the floor and bypass them in both bright and dark environments. Coupled with 3D mapping and LiDAR navigation, the S8 Pro Ultra generates detailed maps for a more accurate and thorough cleaning. Not only does the S8 Pro Ultra excel at vacuuming, but it can also mop your floors with its Vibros 2.0 mopping system. So, with this system, the S8 Pro Ultra improves its vibration module to 2 areas to provide a wider mopping zone and up to 3,000 times per minute to deliver high-speed scrubbing. With Roborock's all-in-one docking system, S8 Pro Ultra can automatically complete the mop washing and drying process, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors. The S8 Pro Ultra also has an incredible battery life that gives 180 minutes on a single charge. This allows you to tackle your entire home in one go. Plus, it has a quick fast charging that gives you a full battery in just 4 hours. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is a powerful high-end robot vacuum that impresses with its long battery life and one docking system, Vibrate 2.0 mopping system and reactive 3D obstacle avoidance technology. The S8 Pro Ultra is a fantastic option for those who want a high-quality and top-tier robot vacuum to help keep their home even cleaner. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a great and powerful robot vacuum, and that's thanks to its Clean Maps technology, multi-surface brushes, clean-based automatic dirt disposal, and customization through the iRobot Home app. The J5 Plus utilizes Clean Maps technology, which is a precise map of your home that's created through advanced sensors. Now this intelligent navigation allows the J5 Plus to move strategically, adapting to your home's unique layout and ensuring a thorough cleaning. The clean-based automatic dirt disposal allows the J5 Plus to empty its dustbin, automatically ensuring that your Roomba is always ready for action without you having to constantly intervene. Not only can the J5 Plus glide across various surfaces with its multi-surface brushes, but it also transforms into a mop for a more comprehensive floor cleaning experience. And just like the Roomba 694, the J5 Plus allows you to further customize it through the iRobot Home app. You can schedule cleanings, monitor your Roomba's progress, and receive notifications all from your smartphone. Plus, the voice command compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds an extra layer of convenience. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a powerful, well-rounded robot vacuum that offers customization through the iRobot Home app, dual functionality as a mop, the clean base, automatic dirt disposal, and Clean Maps technology. The J5 Plus is a great robot vacuum for those who are looking for one that can deliver a thorough cleaning and great performance. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.